I'm back again, and we just had the line lesson, and now we're going to add another part when two lines together and they make an angle. So this is a really important thing to understand actually triangles. You have to understand angles to understand triangles. So that's why we're going to break this down for you. So I'm going to show you here. So we're first going to look, before we name this, we're just going to make an angle. I'm just going to leave that here. But I'm just going to make two lines coming together. I just want to, let me make that a little darker for you so you can see it. I just want to show you kind of some parts. Okay? When two lines come together, they make something called a vertex. Okay, it's their point. All in here is called the angle. Okay, it's like the altitude or how big the angle is makes a difference. And that size of the angle is what this lesson is going to show. So I just want to show you that part. All right.
Can we label that vertex?
Yep. So we're going to say vertex. Okay. Now we're going to make our first angle. When you guys come back, you can work on this. So it's a little harder to see, but there is a vertex because these are two separate lines coming together, but that's not important. We're looking at the size. Okay, this is 180 degrees, and this is called a straight angle.
Do you just want to write on there?
Oh, I guess I could. And that's, here, I'll let you do the writing because then you can... All right, so that's a straight angle. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to make another angle. Now this is a really important angle, and I'm going to add another so it stays. But we're looking at this in there, okay? And in there, this is a 90-degree angle, and we call this a right angle. Very, very important, and you'll recognize when we study triangles that I will refer back to this. It's 90 degrees, and what I want you to do is I want you to look around your room, wherever you're at, and I would like you to find right angles because this is called the constructor angle in that everything is built from right angles. So if you look at all your walls, if you look at tables, floors, there's right angles everywhere. So you might want to go and try to find as many right angles in your room. Look at windows, everything. They're everywhere. So this is an important angle to always remember, and especially in mathematics. We're going to do another angle. I'm going to tack this down. So this angle in here is anything that's smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. Not a cute angle, meaning he's cute. It's an acute angle. It's one word. And that means that it's not just right here. It's anything that's less than this one. If I were to move this all different places, and I'm going to show you this at the end, we're going to do a summary of all the angles. Any of that, if it's less than 90 degrees, is considered an acute angle. I'll just do this one down here. Okay, this is greater than a 90-degree angle, and this is called an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is any angle that is greater than 90 degrees. We'll do the last one. This is called a whole angle. So you can guess it's a circle, 360 degrees, and the angle goes all the way around there. So that is called a whole angle. So you can talk to me right now, and as I'm doing this, you can do this with me. We can name the angles as we go around a whole angle. Okay, this would be an acute, acute, acute angle, acute, 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 acute. Is that about 90 degrees? I can't quite see. It looks a little distorted. There we go. 90, so that's a right angle. And then it immediately goes to obtuse, 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 and obtuse, straight, obtuse, 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 obtuse. We get another right angle over here, right? Acute, 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 a whole angle. That is a summary of all of the angles.